welcome to the class. So today we are here with further more details related to the interior of the earth. Like in last class you came to know about the three main layers, crust, mantle and core, okay, through the last class video. So today we are going to know about the sources of interior of the earth. That means how we came to know about the interior of the earth, okay. So that crust is like that, mental characteristics are like that, core characteristics are like that, how the scientist or geographer or human beings came to know about that. So related to that we are going to know the sources, okay. So there are two main sources we can categorize. Number one is direct source, another one is indirect source. Under direct source it is density, pressure and temperature, okay. Density of the earth, pressure of the earth and temperature of the earth. Under indirect source they are volcanicity and seismology. Seismology means the study of the waves of the earthquake, okay. The study of seismic waves or earthquake waves is known as seismology. So with the help of these two we can know about the interior of the earth. So today we are going to discuss mainly about the direct sources of the earth, okay. So let's discuss. So among the direct sources, number one is density. How density, what is the density of the earth? So total density of the earth calculated by Newton, it is 5.5, okay. The total density of the earth 5.5. Now how it is giving us the information related to the internal or interior of the earth? As we see that on the top of the earth, that is on the crust, on the layer of the crust, it is made by sedimentary rock and the density is just 2.7, okay. When you are going beneath the crust, the density increases from 3.0 to 3.5, okay, and which is made up of igneous rock. So likewise if you are going more and more inside, okay, if you are going more inside the earth, the density increases. So the more depth you are going, the density increases. Density increases with the increase in depth, okay. So likewise to the core at the center of the earth, the density is 11 to 12, which may rise 13 to 14, which may rise 13 to 14, okay. Now next is pressure. How pressure? Pressure also increases with the depth. As you are going more and more inside the earth, the pressure increases, and the center of the earth, that is core, has the highest pressure, that is 3500 kilobars. Now let's talk about the temperature. So same way, as you are going inside the earth, suppose this is surface, if you are going inside the earth, the temperature increases, the temperature increases, okay. So as you are going more inside the earth, the temperature increases. And so suppose if this is surface of the earth, up to 12 kilometer, the temperature increases up to 12 degrees Celsius. From the top, suppose it is 30 degree, so here it will increase up to 42 degree. So up to 12 kilometer, it increases up to 10 degree Celsius. Now after from 12 to 300 kilometer, the temperature increases per 2 degrees Celsius per kilometer, 2 degrees Celsius per kilometer from 12 to 300 kilometer. And after 300 kilometer, the temperature increases 1 degree Celsius per kilometer, okay. So at the center of the core, you are getting the temperature highest, that is 2900 degrees Celsius, which is very much high. So in this high temperature, only the hard rock can exist. So like the center of the core, because of the high density and high temperature, the core is very much solid, as we discussed in the last video, okay, in the last class. So like this, temperature is giving us knowledge about the interior of the earth. That means the less dense minerals or rocks are at the surface, more dense minerals are at the beneath, and more same way it happens with the temperature too. Is that clear? So hope you understand well. We will meet you in the next class with further more topics. Thank you very much, student.